Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I went to bed early, so I feel fresh today.
That's nice. I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
It was a comedy, very funny and relaxing.
That sounds nice. I should watch something funny too.
What time did you wake up today?
Around 6:30 a.m. I like to start my day early.
Wow, that's good. I woke up at 7:30. I'm not an early person.
That's okay. Everyone has a different routine.
True. What's the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of water and stretch a little.
That's healthy. I usually check my phone first.
I try not to do that in the morning.
Yeah, I know I should change that habit.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had eggs, toast, and coffee. What about you?
Just tea and biscuits. I wasn't very hungry.
You should eat something healthy in the morning. Breakfast gives you energy.
You're right. I'll make oatmeal tomorrow.
Good idea. Oatmeal is very good for health.
What are your plans for today?
I have to finish some office work and attend a meeting
Oh, that sounds busy. What time is your meeting?
at 10 a.m. It's an online meeting.
That's nice. I have to clean the house and go shopping later.
What are you going to buy?
Just some groceries and vegetables?
Fresh vegetables always make meals better.
Yes.
And I might get some fruits too.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. It helps me relax.
That's great. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's simple and delicious.
Oh, I love pasta too. I usually make it with vegetables.
Same here. I also add some cheese on top.
Yum. I'm feeling hungry already.
I'm feeling hungry too. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm, a perfect day to go outside.
Yes, maybe I'll go for a walk in the evening.
That's a good idea. Evening walks are peaceful.
Do you usually go for a walk every day?
I try to. It helps me stay active.
I should start doing that too. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll visit my friend or watch a movie.
Sounds fun. I'll probably just rest at home.
Rest is important too.
Yes, weekends are for recharging.
It's almost time for your meeting, right?
Yes, I should get ready soon.
All right. I hope your meeting goes well.
Thank you. And I hope you finish your chores easily.
Thanks. It was nice talking to you this morning.
Same here. Talking with you always makes my day better.
Ah, that's sweet. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You do. See you later.
Bye.